In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multiple bar graph in Excel. A multiple bar graph, also called a clustered column chart, is perfect for comparing several categories across two or more data series side by side. To make this work smoothly, start with your data organized in columns. Categories in the first column, and each series in its own column to the right. Make sure the first row contains clear headers, and try to avoid blank rows or mixed text and number entries in the same column. That helps Excel understand your data automatically. Begin by highlighting two or more columns that you want to compare. Include the header row along with the category labels and all related numeric values. If your data is in adjacent columns, click and drag to select the entire block. If your series live in non-adjacent columns, you can select the first range, then hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while selecting the next range. As long as you select at least two columns, Excel will be able to build a grouped comparison. With your data selected, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where all of Excel's chart tools live, and it's the starting point for turning your selection into a visual. Next, find the chart options and click Column or Bar Chart. Excel offers both vertical columns and horizontal bars. The mechanics are the same, so choose the one that fits how you want to read the categories. For most datasets with shorter category names, vertical columns are a great default. When the menu opens, you'll see different chart types. Click the Chart Type area to view the 2D and 3D variations. The key here is to pick a type that groups each category's bars together so you can compare series at a glance. Finally, click Clustered Column. This creates that side-by-side grouping for every category in your selection. Excel immediately inserts the chart on your sheet using your header row for the legend and your first column for the category axis. If you included headers when you highlighted your data, those labels will flow right into the chart, saving you setup time. That's all it takes. Highlight two or more columns of well-structured data, go to Insert, choose Column or Bar Chart, select the Chart Type area, and pick Clustered Column. You now have a clean multiple bar graph that compares each series across every category, all generated from your selection in just a few clicks.